Hi guys, Gerald here. So for those of you who don't know me, I'm Africa's #1 ClickBank affiliate. Yes. And what I'm going to be doing in this video, what you should look at when you are choosing the product to promote on ClickBank, right? I'm going to be telling you right now, and at the end of this video, I'm going to be telling you the product that is making me over $50,000 every month on ClickBank, guys, right? So before we jump right into it, what I have done is that I have created an amazing course, right? This course, I took you through how to create a ClickBank account in Nigeria and other countries where ClickBank is actually banned, right? I showed you 4 methods through which you can actually create this account and run it in these countries. Then I showed you my free traffic method, the method I actually use to make over $50,000 every month, guys. Right? So it's a course that people have been taking and I've gotten a lot of reviews and it's amazing, right? So if you want to get that course, the first link in the description of this video below is going to take you right there, right? So that said, I'm going to jump into my computer right now so I can show you the right products to promote on ClickBank. Like I said, I'm going to be telling you what exactly you need to look at when you are choosing the product to promote on ClickBank. One, then at the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you the product that I'm actually promoting right now, actively promoting right now. And I'm going to be also telling you the best product that I think you are going to be promoting, you should promote on ClickBank to get to exactly where you should get to, guys. Now let's go to my screen, guys, and let me show you how it's done.
Okay, guys, this is my ClickBank account. Current week, today is what? Saturday, July 4th, Saturday, and we are still at 5,000. Like normally, their week, I think it ends on Friday. Well, I don't know how it works, but yeah, I still at 5,000 for this week. Last week was $18,000. The week before was $11,000, $12,000 or so. Then this was 8,000 and blah blah blah, right? So yeah, and if you look at last month, you see that we did $68,000, almost $70,000 in sales, and this currently this month, today is the 4th of July, and we've done 6,000 already. That's an average of about $2,000 every day, right? $2,000 every day averagely. So if you look at this, you see that yesterday on July 3rd, we did 1,439. Then right here it's 1,006 something. Here this is 2,000 plus $2,700, 2,000, 3,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, almost 3,000 here. 1,300, like, so averagely we're doing about $2,000 every day, $2,000, and I'm going to be telling you the product that I'm promoting to actually make this kind of figures, right? And mind you, this is all free traffic, and all the method that I'm using is contained in my course. So if you've not gotten my course already, you just go to geraldumeh.com. It's geraldumeh.com and grab the course right now, so you see everything that I'm doing. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you the product that I'm actually promoting to get this kind of numbers, right? To get this kind of numbers. So yeah, that said, let me go to the first tool I'm going to be introducing to you guys is what I call the CB engine, right? Yeah, so just go to cbengine.com. The link is going to be in the show box below. So cbengine.com, and this actually helps me identify new product that has potential. So these are new products that actually have potential. I've said this before. One of the things that worked for me was African Fat Flusher. I was promoting that product, right? And how I knew that it was going to blow up was through using this CB engine. And I'm going to be showing you exactly how I did that. So yeah, if I come right here right now and I go to new product, CB new product, which is ClickBank new product, right? I go here right now and I click. So it's going to show me the new products on ClickBank, right? Now, if you look at all these new products, what they have in common is that most of them, they don't have any gravity score. It's 0.0.0.0. Now, the ones that are breaking out are actually products that have potentials. Look at this one now. Forget all about manufacturing numerology. It has 37.6% gravity. This one has 34. So these two products are actually brand new products, but they have potential. And the interesting thing is that these are new products. Affiliates are not like, it's not, their commission is not stiff as it is in products like Research and Leptitox and all those ones that are on the first page of ClickBank right now. Like if I go there, I'm going to be going there in a little while. So yeah, if this is a good product for me to promote right now because it's right here, it's a new product and the gravity is high. So yes, I'm going to start promoting this product right now. This is something that I should jump on, and you should jump on it also. Now this one also chronic kidney disease solution, CKD. A lot of persons have kidney diseases and they're looking for solution. Now this product is a very good product because it's actually breaking out. 34.53 gravity is a good gravity score for a new product. Now if you look at everything right here, they are low, 0.0.0.3. Male enlargement, kidney, this one, fat disruptor, but this one and this one, they are breaking out, which is a very good signal that it's a product for you to jump on right now. Now, I don't know about this product. Let me just open it in the new tab. I want to just try something out. To just look at the competition for this product right now. CB Engine, chronic CKD. So I just go on Google and type CKD Control V reviews. Let me see the competition. That's how I analyze competition. Now this person, dementia care, this person is already doing it. 23rd of, you see, this person saw what I'm seeing right now, and he wrote this article on the 23rd, which is like a week ago, about 10 days ago, and it's right here on number 1. Right? This person on October 19, okay, this is not the same thing that we're talking. This is chronic kidney disease diagnosis, you see. So this is not the product. So you have a chance of outranking this person, right? Then this one, detailed review of chronic full text, so this is also 2020. So people are jumping on it because they actually saw what I'm seeing right now. All these ones are old, you see. So your competition right Jesus, I think I'm going to go for this product. The competition right now is this guy and this guy and this guy, and that's all. Everything here is not a review of this product because it's a brand new product. Competition is very low, right? So if you jump on this right now, like write a detailed article, put it on Medium, you are going to make a killing, man. I don't know why you're not doing that right now, right? So this is something that you should do right now. If you're going to promote this, let me know in the comment section. Just say chronic kidney disease solution. I'm going to promote this right now. Let me know so that I can track your progress and know what happens, right? So you should jump on this right now. Write a review, put it on Medium or wherever, and start working on this immediately, guys. Immediately. I'm also going to start promoting this. I'm going to pay my writer to write an article for me on this. So yeah, I don't see why not. So let me look at that the second one. This one, forget about this. I'm just gonna put this right here. I'm just gonna search for this. Somebody has written an article on Medium. Just what I was just saying right now. Another person on Medium, right? Somebody on YouTube. People are jumping on this immediately. This was 6 days ago, 1 day ago, just yesterday. Anybody wrote this as his ranking, right? So yeah, this is amazing, guys. This is amazing. On the 20, okay, this is CB Engine. So your competition right now is this guy, and this guy, right? Okay, and this one also, and this one also. These are all 5 days ago. So if you write your own right now, you might actually come under this guy. That's the worst case scenario. If you write your review right now, you might come under this guy. That's the worst case scenario. So you just need to go into a ClickBank and find this product. So let me show you how to find this product. I'll just copy the name. Where is CB Engine? I'll just copy the name right here. Then go to ClickBank and go to Marketplace, right? I go to Marketplace. Now this is number 1 way to actually find new products that has potential. So yeah, then I paste it right here and search for this product. So yeah, I'm going to find, this is the product right here. So you click on promote and take your affiliate and get your affiliate link so that you can start promoting this right now immediately, right? I taught you guys how to get all this in my course. So if you grab that course, you're going to get how to promote this. So yeah, where is the second one? The second one was chronic this. I'm just going to copy text. Then I come back right here, delete what I have in here and paste in that one. Then click here, and this is the product right here. I copy this product. They're paying $40, right? The last one was paying control averagely was paying, I think, about $100 or so, about $145 averagely, right? And these products are upcoming products, very interesting product. This is the number 1 way for me to pinpoint what is it called, new products that actually has potential using CB Engine and make a killing on ClickBank, guys. So yeah, Then the second way is to just come to ClickBank. I'm not going to go to Marketplace again. Just come to ClickBank Marketplace, right? And leaving this place blank, you just hit this search bar. Now, if you hit the search bar, it's going to show you the most grossing product on ClickBank, right? The product that is paying the most. So what I normally do is that this product, it has a lot of competition. But the truth of the matter is that it's actually making money for affiliates, right? That is why their gravities are very, very high. So yeah, right now what I will do is that I will go for this product, right? I'll go for this product, especially this one towards the bottom. I'll go for these ones, right? But I promised you guys at the end of the video, I'm going to be telling you the product that's making me the most money, right? I've not forgotten, I'm going to be telling you that. So I've taught you guys two things right now. The number one thing is to focus, is to use CB engine, find new product that has potential and make a killing on it, right? So the second one is to come to ClickBank Marketplace, just hit the search bar icon without putting anything, and you're going to see all this product. Now, when I started out, one of the things I did was to make a review video and articles for all the products on the front page, right? But then I actually looked at the indices that Google uses for ranking, right? Which are some of the things that I talked about in my course. So if you've not gotten my course already, just go to geraldumeh.com and grab the course right now, guys. So yeah, that's some of the things that I did. So yeah. So which product is making me the most money right now? I actually will advise anybody right now to start promoting that product also. And the product that I'm talking about is this product right here, Lepto Connect, right? This product is the one that's making me, it pays about $116.34 per sale averagely, right? Averagely, without the upsell and the downsell, so yeah, and has a very low refund rate, you know. Yeah, initial sales was $42,000. Then up sales about 2,800. Chargeback is very low, 0.24%. So it's a very good product. These are some of the indices that you use to know products that are good. Product that has a chargeback and a refund of 3.8% is actually a very good product, which means that people actually like the product and they are not going for refunds. So yeah, so that's a very good product for you to go for. I would I've tried this, it's working for me right now. Like, I'm making a lot of money from Lepto Connect, so I don't see why you should not go for it, guys. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the best products to promote on ClickBank, and I guess that's what I've done, right? If you got any value from this video, I want to encourage you to please hit the like button and like this video and leave a comment in the comments, and consider sharing this video with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and elsewhere, right? So that they can all benefit, because what I actually do on my channel is to take you by the hand literally and show you how to win online, right? So that if I win and you win and your friends win, then we have all won, guys. And in the long run, we will make the world a better place because we are all comfortable, guys. So until I see you in my next video, keep winning and don't forget that Gerald loves you. Bye.